Hi, once again we're going to show you a new dish. It's called the tripe, barbecue tripe actually. So we are using the tripe of the part is already clean, so there's a few things we have to be clean off to the tripe actually. And first of all, I want to put some hot water to the some salt and some turmeric powder because there's some sort of germs will be there. I want to go just remove from the tripe for the germs. So we'll start first we're going to add some salt for hot water because it's very important for the salt, not for too much. Then the same pot I'm going to add some 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. So what you do is, now you can take the tripe, you can direct to put it in the hot water. Do not keep a long time, you have to keep for some sort of time. Keep up turning for the sides, otherwise it will get overcooked because we are using for a barbecue tripe today. If it's cooked from the hot water, you don't get the proper taste from the barbecue while we are doing for the charcoal. So it will be killing all the germs. You can see how the color will be changed. Few parts of this not cleaned properly, you can clean it afterwards once you take it off from the hot water. So I will show you that basically you can take the spoons, but if you not too much. For the next video I will show you how to make it cleaning the parts of excess things. So this is enough actually. Now we'll take it off from the water and drain it nicely. Make sure be careful. You can see how it's warm and take it off from the water. So now I will show you after you take it off from the hot water, to make sure you are nice rinse with the water, the fresh water. So you have to just take the excess, if there any remains are there, sort of like the edges, you can see how it was, this has to be take it off. Okay, let's start for the marination for the tripe, the barbecue. So here you can see already we clean up the tripe. It's already done. So we're going to show the marination, the part. So I will introduce what are the ingredients using for the marination. So we have salt and black crushed pepper. We have vinegar, chili powder, garlic, and here we have soya sauce, and we can use citrus fruit and some tomato sauce. So let's start how to use the marinations. First I will take soya sauce and just put it in the bowl. So around like 30 grams of salt and 15 grams of soya sauce, you can add some few citrus fruit to get the nice flavor and the smell, and 5 grams of garlic. We will give some half teaspoon of chili powder and 5 grams of vinegar, comes 1/4 teaspoons of black crushed pepper and half teaspoon of salt. So what you do is basically you can mix nicely, very gently. So if you like to make spicy, you can add some little bit more spices. This is how the marinations will come for the tripe barbecue. So let's start to put the barbecue the tripe. We don't use the whole the part. We have to cut it into two first. Now I will add it into the my marination part, the sauce. So you can mix it all together. So you can see the nice smell with the aromatic smell with the citrus fruit, and you don't get some sort of different smell because it's especially the cow stomach. Some most of the people that doesn't like the smell actually. That's why I'm using for the garlic paste and all the spices. So what you do is basically you can keep for 30 minutes for the refrigerator to get the seasoning, or if you can keep it at least for the 45 is much better. You don't have to keep a long time because we're using for the spicy sauce for that after you the barbecue. This is how it's do the marination, and cover it, keep for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Let's start to make spicy sauce. I will put some the hot pan oil, onion, some ginger, and some garlic. Your spice mix. Now some tomato sauce, some oyster sauce, chili pieces, salt, some vinegar, black pepper. This is the texture of that spice sauce. Wow, nice and delicious spice. Let's start with the cutting for the tripe. So I don't cut it very small piece because it's, if it's arranging the barbecue grill, it could be folded for the charcoal. So what I do is I arrange not too big, not too small. This is the size of the checks of the chunk piece. Nice straight cutting all the barbecue, right?